What's up, guys? And it's back with another Cora video. And today we are going to be making monkey bread. But we have to make the dough first, so let's get started. Okay, so first what we have to do is we have to turn on the stove, and then we have to combine all of these ingredients. So let's turn on them. Make sure you have a parent's permission for this. High, medium, low. So make sure it's on low. Now, let's do this. First things first, we have to add the milk. That was fun. Next, we have to add sugar. I almost said salt for a second. Now this is salt. I'd say a salt joke, but you're just probably too salty. Get it? Now for the butter. Butter. Oh, this is scary. I don't want it splashing on me, so I'm a little scared. Okay. That was big. Let's stir. After you had melted all of the stuff in there, the next step is to pour this in like a whisking thing. I don't know what it would call it. Yeah, and then you go to number 6 and let it whisk. For the next step, you'd still need this running, but try to put it on the lowest setting possible. This is called yeast, and you're gonna have to add this in. Let's do this. What? Now you're going to add a whole lot of this. I don't want it spilling everywhere. I'm just gonna go. It's okay, I guess, if it spills now. So, no, never mind. It's fine. I was gonna think it was, but don't do that. Oh boy. Just tap it like a little baby. That's good. We'll be right back. That was a work in progress. But we got all the dough out, and let's start kneading. How you knead is you put your hands like this, you gotta push it like this, and you gotta fold it over. That did not work. Let me try that again. It's definitely hard, but it's very fun. Kind of spread it out, fold it over. That kind of worked. Gotta make it like a circle, because then it's, I guess, easier. Yeah, it's a lot easier when you make it a circle like this, and then you just knead it over. And knead it over. I've been doing this for a pretty long time because I was doing it before, but should be needed soon, right? We'll be back because this is gonna take a while. Whew, it's really hard work, but at the end, it's actually gonna taste delicious. But anyway, you have to grease a bowl with butter. Then you have to plop this in there, and just let it sit and rise for about 2 hours. Just let it sit, rise, relax, 2 hours. And almost forgot a step. You have to cover it. And we'll be back in like 2 hours.